You've got the Wanderlust money, you're ready to explore the world. But before you jet off to those far-flung destinations, you'll need one essential item, your passport. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think to get one. Here's the lowdown. Gather your documents. Proof of U.S. citizenship, like a birth certificate, naturalization certificate, or previous passport. Also, have a photo ID like a driver's license or other government-issued ID. You'll need passport-size photos, usually 2 inches by 2 inches. Many pharmacies and post offices offer this service. Have a completed DS-11 application form. You can find it online or at the nearest passport acceptance facility. Next, choose your type. There are regular and expedited processing options. Regular takes about 4 or 6 weeks, while expedited takes around 2-3 weeks for an additional fee. Visit a passport acceptance facility. Find one near you, often at post offices or county clerk offices. Bring all your documents and forms. You'll need to pay the appropriate fee. Check the U.S. Department of State's website for current costs. The interview. Be prepared to take an oath and answer some questions about your trip plans. Minors under 16 must have both parents or legal guardians present, or a notarized consent form. Patience is key. Now, the waiting game begins. Regular processing can take a few weeks, so plan accordingly. Check your passport. Once it arrives, double-check all the info. Make sure your name is spelled correctly and it includes any necessary visas. Keep it safe. Your passport is your golden ticket to global adventures. Guard it like treasure. And there you have it, your passport to exploring the world. Now, start dreaming about all those incredible destinations you can visit. Safe travels.